RC car right here. Hold on, let me turn this on. Alright, so it's on right now. Yeah, to climb down the porch. And it's good for like climbing. Me and my dad, we have like a climbing spot. So yeah, you want to know how to pause a video? Or
just hit pause right here.
Yeah. You do?
Mhm.
Alright. So we're driving down to it and it's already taking on off. See the heck's down there? So this is the place where we go to these rocks. So you can build all those rocks. So it's that you might be able to build like that right here. So
Back up.
no, it's not fun. You want to try?
Yeah.
Alright. He got up there. Let's see if he can get down.
No, crashed it out.
Oh, dang it.
Here you go.
Alright, like in the next 2 rounds, I'm getting kind of cold.
Huh?
Oh, yeah, I'm getting kind of cold out here. So.
Yeah, that's why you got to get a big jacket, but we can do just 1 or 2 and then we can go in.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, wow, that was pretty cool. Like, it jumped up to the camera. Alright, now I gotta back up like this. But I might be able to. I did it!
Yeah.
Oh, let's see if I can go down it. Hold up. Oh. Well, I kind of went down
Right down it.
But that little that thing is like the plastic.
That's just the body touching the tires.
Mhm.
We need to trim it a little more.
So you want to try?
Yeah, we'll try one more time, then we'll go in.
But it's actually pretty cool. It's a Redcat
Ascent.
Ascent. You can adjust it on the controller. You can get stickers for it. You can 3D print the body too, but I kind of like this body. So half of my Christmas was RC cars. Half of my Christmas was RC cars because I got some RC cars on Christmas Eve because we didn't do my dad's cousins on Christmas Day. We were doing it on Christmas Eve. Since no one got the camera.
Here you go.
Well, yeah, inside, when you like press it down all the way, it does go fast. Back inside if you have parking. But if you're outside of glass, yeah, it's still fast, except it doesn't like do what it does inside. So like if you go backwards inside, it does a whole Papa Wheelie. Or I don't know what you call a backwards Papa Wheelie. What do you call that?
Oh, it flip over backwards, where it's a little front heavy.
Yeah. But this right here, you can 3D print some stuff and put it down up there.
Yeah, you can 3D print a bed, and we 3D printed a battery holder.
Yeah, because when you get this originally, it doesn't like the battery doesn't stay in because there's like this thing. It doesn't stay in all the way, but we 3D printed a battery tray. We 3D printed a battery tray in there. We might show you when we get in the house though. We're back inside. So this.
You can tell them that's what our 3D printed battery trays look like.
That's what the 3D printed battery trays look like, right there.
And then here's ours that we put on. Let's see.
Sure, that's what it is. Sure.
There's our battery tray right here.
It's this.
Right here. This tray. Right here.
Hold on.
But the battery kept falling out, so we 3D printed this tray, and now the battery's staying in good.
So yeah, that's what you should do when you probably get one of these. Is like 3D print this a long tray.
And well,
if you get the same thing as this, like 3D print a long tray, so that way because that battery's long. Because look at the comparison in the battery.
Yeah, we had just this tray right here was about the size, and then we had to scale it down to make it a little more narrower. But it fits the battery well. Battery's not going nowhere.
And the battery is flammable.
Oh yes, it's a LiPo battery, so people know about LiPo batteries. They're a little more dangerous. You got to take a little more care when dealing with LiPo batteries.
Hold up. I can show you all the battery charger. Though. Let's see, where's the battery? Oh. Well, here's what the battery charger looks like in the box. So yeah.
And then you want to put the battery in that bag when you're storing it.
And like a non-flammable bag, not like some grocery bag.
It's a battery bag.
So yeah, Not in a plastic bag, but in
Special bag.
yeah, special bag, battery bag. So bye.